Welcome to today's video. So in this video we're looking at getting paid for uploading videos, and I'll share with you the types of videos, but as a side note, it's not only videos, you can also earn money from images and even audio, and it's absolutely free to get started with. And look, for more resources for earning online, working from home, you can go over to my website and check out the courses on here. We've got lots of free courses available inside of here, whether you're interested in making money on YouTube, whether it's affiliate marketing, and there's more things on here including proofreading, flipping products, property and other bits. And we've also got a members area with more resources for earning online, so you just go over here and put in your email and you can get access to those. So let's look at today's video, and we're talking about different ways to make money from simple videos, audio and images. Okay, so let's start right at the beginning. So the website we are looking at today is this. I've got a lot of tabs open. It's this one over here, and it's called Dreamstime.com. Now basically you can see on here, this is a royalty-free stock site. So basically on here you can see on here, look, there's 185 million stock photos with over 42 million users. So there's huge potential over on this platform. So traditionally people who own blogs, websites, business owners, even YouTubers will come onto sites like this when they're looking for audio, videos, and also images that they can use. And there's many more things you can see on here. There's vectors, illustrations, audio as I've mentioned, and other bits. But look, how do you earn money from this website? Well, if we scroll all the way down to the bottom and you want to look for the tab which says community, and you see here where it says sell your images, you can click on that. As a side note, you see down here there's also a referral program. Now I'm not a partner with this company at all, I'm just sharing that with you in case you like this method, you start making money with this, and you can tell your friends about it and potentially earn some more money. But let's just go to the select sell your images. So if you click on there, that will take you through to this page over here. Now it comes down here, so you can see, look, how to sell photos, images and video with Dreamstime. And this information on here, it talks about the file requirements, so what they must be, so the sizes that they've got to be, the actual video files if you're uploading video clips, and then we've also got audio files. Okay, and there's also a frequently asked questions section, so you can go ahead and have a read of that. But basically the part you're interested in is this here, how much you can earn. So over on this website here, it works on a revenue share, and you can go and read this and how much you can earn. But if I come down here, you can see at this moment in time, by the way, you can just click on any of these. So I've gone into videos and I've clicked on content level 1. Now you can see down here we have got earning percentage. So we've got 25%, 27.5%, and then we've got 60 over here. Now at this moment in time, you can see on the left hand side here we've got web, we've got 720, and we've got 1080. Now realistically, if you're going to be uploading videos onto this platform, I'd say to be recording any videos in 1080, because most video platforms are using a 1080. Now we can see over here, for a 1080 video, for one video, you can potentially earn $14.21 for a video that you upload. And obviously you can earn more. So if you was to upload 2 videos, this is how much you could potentially earn, 3, 4, 5. So it's pretty good, isn't it? And obviously, as you go along, the numbers go up. And I'll briefly show you images. So if I come over here to images, click on these, and again, you can see roughly how much you can earn per image that you're uploading over onto this platform. And again, you can do the same for audio. Now, the thing to note on here is, we have got a non-exclusive file and an exclusive file. So a non-exclusive obviously means if you've taken that image and uploaded it onto a number of these different stock websites like Dreamtime, like Pixels, Pexabay, Shutterstock, and many more, that would be a non-exclusive file. If you're saying to these guys, this video I'm only going to upload onto your platform, then you can earn more money. And if you go down the exclusive user, then again the potential earnings jump up a lot more. Now scroll down here as well, you've got other things on here. So it comes down here and it tells you about the different licenses. So look, revenues from extended licenses, how much it increases to or decreases to, and again you can go through this. Now what I would say to you is, if you are going to go down this route, is just basically have a read of these frequently asked questions, because I'm sure you've got lots of questions, and on here there's a lot. So instead of scrolling through all of these, you can simply put in your question at the top. Or what we can do, instead of searching for it up here, is on the left hand side we've got these different questions. So we'll go to contributor related questions, and we can see how do I receive payment. Click on there and we can see how do I receive payment. So photographers can request payment as soon as their earnings balance reaches $100 or more by applying from the account section. And then we can see on here you can actually get paid via PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill. So you've got a few different options to earn money, to withdraw your money from this website over here. And obviously, as we mentioned at the beginning of the video, you can also earn from the affiliate program. Now, to make things even easier for you, if you want to go ahead and sign up with this Dreamstime, they have apps available. So the usual suspects, we've got Apple and obviously the Android store. Now, if we come over here, we can see over on Google Play, this is the app. You can see the number of reviews. It's currently got, what's that, 3.2, 3.1, something like that, out of 5. And you can go through and have a read of, all of these different ratings on here. If you want to know how it looks on the inside of the app, this is basically it. So if I come over here, take you right back to the beginning. So basically, earn money. So we're uploading images and videos and audios, and it works. Basically, you're just selecting which ones you want to upload, and then you can see on here, enter information about this. Files are ready to be reviewed quickly, and then you can check your sales and earnings. And basically, look, earn cash for doing what you love, taking pictures, uploading videos, and lots more really. So yeah, you can go through and have a look at the reviews, whether you're over on the Google Play Store or whether you're on Apple as well. But look, as most of the videos we've looked at in the last few weeks, these sorts of things, they're not going to be earning you, well, unless you're uploading hundreds and hundreds of these videos and images daily, they're not going to be earning you a really good income. I would just look at this as a potential side hustle, and there's so many of these available. If you want to earn more money, then look at different things. So take earnings from these sites here and look at maybe going into a YouTube channel or affiliate marketing or matched betting or any of the there's hundreds of ways you can earn online. You can go over to my website and scroll through and read some of these articles, because we're always trialing and testing different methods for making money online and from home. But look, that's today's video. That's how you can actually get paid for uploading videos, images and audios. Just go through, have a read of the frequently asked questions section here, and if this is appealing to you, then you can start uploading over onto this website here. Personally, if I was going down this route, and we've got this website over here, and if I scroll on here, let's just click on videos and images. For the difference in 25 to 27.5%, I would take those images and videos, I'd put them on here, and I'd probably put them on all of the other stock websites, and potentially cast your net wider. So yeah, that's it. That is today's video. If you've got any questions, let me know. As always, thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.